Dog.
meat.
Okay.
Dog.
Ay, yes.
She give for me.
Okay.
My neighbor.
Okay.
So,
Mention her name. Mention his name.
No more. No more. Mas my neighbor is love my neighbor. Love your neighbor. That's right.
Okay.
So my neighbor is love me. So I give me a meat. Dog.
Okay.
Dog.
Okay.
So the dog is very
You can prepare that.
very
Very?
delicious.
Okay.
Right? So anything else?
May ketchup ba yan? May ketchup.
Anything else? By the way, no. By the way.